General Sessions Court is your more serious criminal court. It encompasses everything from the low-end spectrum of misdemeanors such as simple drug possession of things like meth and cocaine, to your high-end crimes, meaning your murder cases, armed robberies, burglaries, etc. If you get arrested in a General Sessions Court, there are several things that are going to happen. The first thing that's going to happen is you're going to get booked in at the county detention center and bond will be set. During that hearing, the second thing that will happen is you will be assigned an initial appearance date. The court's going to want the following things done. Number one, they're going to want to make sure that the person is represented by an attorney, that attorney has filed a notice of general appearance saying they're going to represent them with the clerk's office, and also that attorney has filed a Rule 5 Brady motion, or sometimes you'll hear it referred to as a discovery motion, which essentially entitles you to a copy of the state's file. They're also going to want to ensure that the state has actually complied and disclosed a copy of its file to the defense by that standpoint. They also want to make sure that any mental health or other complicated issues that would delay the case or require special accommodations are red flagged for the court at the initial appearance. There will be a couple-month delay and then the case will be set for what's called a second appearance. That gives the person time to meet with their attorney, go over the evidence. At the second appearance, you're going to be expected to inform the chief administrative judge whether the case is going to be a plea bargain, a jury trial, or go through some sort of diversion program outside the normal court system. If your case is reached during the trial docket, meaning that your number has been called, the first thing that'll happen is you will pick a jury. You'll handle any pretrial motions at that time, and then you'll begin with a typical trial starting with opening statements, state presenting its case and witnesses, then us presenting a case or not, followed by closing arguments, and the jury going out and deliberating. Once the trial is over, or even at a plea, if the result is a conviction, there will be a sentencing hearing, at which point you will be able to argue mitigation evidence, basically evidence showing why the judge should be lenient in your situation. If it's a trial and it comes back at a not guilty verdict, that's it, you're released from custody and the case is over. When you're going through a General Sessions process, the reason that you should hire the Bruff Law Firm is we have significant experience going through General Sessions Court. If you hire someone that's not willing to do the work and things don't go out the way that you want them to, that result is going to be very difficult to overturn. It's very important to do things right the first time.